Hello friends, here we are starting N4 kanjis. Since there are too many kanjis to memorize, let's try this new method of learning. First, let's see some kanjis and then use methods of memorizing them. Fu or bu. This kanji is used as a negative prefix. See the two strokes on both sides that resemble the lower part of the wrong tick mark. Sei or se, kunyomi yo. From the common word sekai, which means the world or society, comes this kanji se, which is derived from the hiragana letter se, or so it seems. Its meaning is also world or society. Nushi or aruji, onyomi shu or su. This kanji means master or the main thing. The lower radical is the king kanji o. Another stroke on its top makes the king kanji into master kanji. Noru or noseru kanji, onyomi jo or sho. This means ride or multiplication. Long horizontal lines are used to say going through. Thus, this kanji indicates going without moving one's own self, that is riding, noru. Koto, onyomi ji. This kanji has many horizontal lines piled on. Such piled lines indicate many things done. This kanji means thing or matter. Kyo. This kanji comes in the name of the capital Tokyo, and it also means capital. This lower part is the chisai radical. It indicates small parts. Upper part indicates the lid or top. So this says head of many small pieces of land, that is capital. Shi or ji, tsukaeru kanji. This has man radical and samurai radical. So this means man helped by attendant, that is serve or official. Dai or tai, kunyomi kawaru. This has man radical and something resembling cross, meaning exchange. So this kanji means substitute. It also has a small stroke which indicates tied up, fixed, because this kanji also means price or charge. Motte, onyomi e. This kanji has two radicals which resemble above and below kanjis. So this kanji means compared to or with or by. Hikui, onyomi tei. This has two radicals and a lower stroke. Both the radicals mean man. So this kanji compares two men and indicates the shorter one. Meaning of this kanji is short. Sumu, onyomi ju or chu. This kanji has man radical and the master radical. Man who is the master of a house lives in it. This kanji means to reside. Karada, onyomi tai, the body kanji. This has two radicals, man radical and the book radical, which also means the real one. So the actual man himself physically is the body. Tsukuru, make, onyomi saku or sa. With the man radical, many horizontal lines piled, which means making things. This kanji means make or manufacture. Shi, history. This kanji is a radical in other kanjis of N4. This kanji means history. A stroke added to it makes this kanji ri, which means perhaps having a history of work experience. Actual meaning of this kanji is officer. Add a man radical to it and it becomes tsukau. Perhaps man using an officer. Actual meaning of this kanji is use. Onyomi she. Add another stroke to it and it becomes tayori. Onyomi ben. It has many meanings. Perhaps man having an officer at his disposal for using. Actual meaning of this kanji is convenience. But it also means feces and news. Now let us see if you remember all the kanjis taught just now.